Hello, hello, I'm Matthew Tremblay. I'm doing this video to show you how to install and use the applications to trade on your computer. I'm using a Mac, so it could be a little bit different if you're using a Windows or PC, but this is just to understand the basic. Okay, so once you download Telegram, you will probably be able to use it also on your computer. It will be synchronized with the app on your phone, so when you read or you text someone on your phone, it will be also on the computer, and exactly the same. So here will be the Telegram options. You will have all the channels. So me, I have a lot, but I recommend you to of course have the Academy here, the officials one, to show you all the official announcement from the IM Mastery Academy. Then you will have also you will have also trade ideas. Trade ideas will be here. So it's in French, but you will have a lot of informations like this here. So it will be almost in English or just numbers, so you can do it as well. Then to use MetaTrader 4. So depending the broker you choose, FX Choice, USG FX, or others, you will be able to find an icon once it's installed on your desktop. Of course, you will be able to open it, and once it's open, you will have to connect your account. So to connect your account, you go on the file here, and then you click on login to trade account. Okay, the broker will allow you on their website to download the MetaTrader 4 regarding like already pre-installed for the broker. So you will have already the server. So here, login to trade account. So you click here, then you will have your account, the server here that will be on the list already, and then the password that you received on by email. So you click on login, then it will be a login here. So I will show you how to use it here. So you will have all the pairs on the left here. So you can click right and then said show all if you want to get it all there. Then me, I'm using also the spread. So I click on the spread. So I have the spread here. You will learn what is the spread and why you need to have it here. Okay. Then once you want to do a trade, you click new order. You can do it here, or you can, once you are on a trade here, you can click on the new order button. Me, I configure a little bit different, like my top. So I put everything I need. So if you want to personalize it, you click on the right and you said customize, and then you will be able to customize. So this is for this part. Then you have another part here. So if I click, you can customize again. Then here it's the part from here, customize. So I will have different options, different things that I can put, that I can use here. So new order will be here on USD CAD, because this is the one I have here. If I click here, I can select new order on AUD GPY, like it doesn't care what you have here. Okay, so sorry, new order. So here you have the volume. So you put your volume, your risk that you want to do. You will learn how to calculate it. Stop loss. So this is the security that you put here. The take profit, where you want to target. And then you choose market execution if you want to start the trade right away. Then you put sell or buy, depending if you think it will go down or it will go up. If you want to put a pending order, like buy limit, you choose pending order, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. This is pending order. So the trade needs to, the price need to arrive at a certain point to start the trade. So you can choose the point here. So if I want to trade, like for example here, USD CAD is at 140.84, and I want to start the trade when it will be at 141.04. So I put 141.04 here, 04. Okay. 04. I don't know why. Because I'm not on. I'm not on USD CAD, that's why. Okay, USD CAD, pending order, sell limit, for example, 14104. Okay, so this is the example. For this one, then I put my stop loss like 141.18 for the example. It's not, I really not calculate it. It's just for the example. And I think my profit will be like 140.75. So, okay, 140.75. Okay, so this is the trade that I think it will go up here, then booms, and then sell, and then take profit here. So this is just an example. And then you click place, okay? Once you write everything. You can also, don't put here the stop loss and the take profit. You click place, and once the order will arrive here when you are on a market execution, so you click sell by market or buy by market, and then you will be able to click. Now the market is closed, so I cannot show you, but you will have the line of your trading appear here, and when you want to go up, you click on the line, then you put the stop loss up, and then the take profit down if it's a sell, and the opposite if it's a buy. Okay, so this is the example, but now the market is closed, so I cannot show you here. You have also here the navigator, okay? Navigator, or you can click view navigator. This will be to show you the indicator. So me, I'm using a lot of moving average, as you can see here. So you will be able to select the indicator here that you want to install. You can also install template. So if you want to install template, you will be able, this is the $N template. So this is the one that we are using with the team. $N is a really simple strategy that will allow you to get results as fast as possible. So I truly recommend to use this strategy and the add-on on the IM Mastery Academy. So here's the button to zoom in, to zoom out. So if you are like here, for example, you can also double click here on the, so if I will go like just like this. Okay, like for example, okay, you see I can up, down here just by holding the button of the mouse. Then if you double click, it's reorganize everything, the candle, like just to be great to see. If you want the same as me here, I will show you. Okay, if you, the button here, there is a green one and the red one here. Okay, so if I unclick both, the red one is to, you see, it's just to move the candle a little bit more on the left so I can see better what will happen. And the green one is to go to the end. So if I want to go back there, I will not be able to hold it if this is inclined, this is pressed. So I need to take it out, okay? Because every move, it will go back to the end, okay? When I click here, it will go back to the end. So this is the example as well. Let's see that this is the time frame. So the time frame was there. So this is the time frame. So I have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So you will have it here. I will reinstall it. I wanted to show you. And here the line, if you want to put line or everything like here, for example, for support. So if you want to change the color, you click on the line. So it will, you will have selections there and there. You will be able to click horizontal properties, then select the colors, and everything you want to put, okay? So this is just to show you what I can show you next. Nothing. Oh yeah, options here. You need to unclick one-click trading. You need this, okay? This, you don't want it to be clicked, okay? So unclick it if it's clicked already. Okay, this is really important to do. And if you have a template to install, just download the template, and then you will be able to open data folder here, and then you will be able to go there. You will have the template folder here. So all the template will be there. So if it's DeLorean template, you will be able to download it on your computer. So go to this folder, then go back to your, like for example, my documents, then Forex indicators, then you have like your template. So me for DeLorean is there. So I click on right button, then I select copy. So you will have the copy options. When you click on the right, then I go back to folder here, I'm back here, so I click right again and I click paste, okay? So this is to install the template. Then once it's installed, you will have it here, so you can choose the template here automatically. To see a chart here, you can click right and you say chart windows. So this will open a chart windows, then you can change the template here. Yeah, using DeLorean. But if you don't want to do it every time, so all the windows are here at the bottom, you see. So if I want to change it, so I go on one and I want to Euro CHF, so I drag it and drop here. Okay, so I have it here already with the template already pre-installed. So I don't need to do it again every time. So this is what was important to know. Here at the bottom, you have all your trade that is ongoing. Then you have your account history with all the trade that closed already. And once you connect to your broker, you will have here the information that you well connected, and you will see trade information. You will have your balance, your equity, free margins that will be right down here. Okay, so hope you have value with this short video. If you have any questions, of course, ask me or ask the person who introduced you this amazing opportunity to learn trading Forex. See you. Bye-bye.